Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool idea. This is an 1800 watt powerful beast of an air fryer machine, but it's not just your traditional air fryer. This is actually a dual-sided air fryer that you can convert to a single or a dual. So I'm going to kind of go over a couple of the things here. They do provide you with a little silicone mitt, which is nice. This hasn't been on, so it's not hot, but you've got your centerpiece here that you can easily open this up into an entire center piece, and then from there you can actually have a lot of versatility because you got your big baking pan, you have your little wire tray, and you have your basket. You also have these little grippers that they send to it's called a little basket retrieval tool that you can stick in there to retrieve that when that's hot. But you can then stick these in there and do full size, so that way if you're wanting to do large items or stacked items, or you're wanting to do the rotisserie, they actually provide you with this little piece here that you actually can feed into the side and actually use a rotisserie on this. It will rotate a rotisserie, which is kind of cool, so you can even do a whole chicken in there. But the beauty of this, in my opinion, is going to be the fact that you have this divider, which you can easily put in here in the middle and just slides right in. And then from there, you then have the access to do the individual sided baskets. Gotta make sure I get it lined up in here just right. There. I'm gonna get into individual sided baskets, or they do provide you with the wire pieces here as well. So maybe if you're gonna do more than one thing, you can easily lock that in place, get it set up and ready to go. So let's just, for example, say we're gonna cook some chicken nuggets on this side here, and maybe we're going to cook a little pizza over there. So we're going to go ahead and close this up. You can turn this on. You've got two separate zones, nice fingerprintless display, which I like. You can turn this on for this side. We're going to do air fry for our chicken nugget. We're going to go ahead and set it to 365 for 20 minutes for that one nug. And then the second side over here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to broil this up, some pizza on the top, melt some cheese. We're going to do that for 15 minutes and get that down there like that. And then we're going to push start. Now it's going to do each side individually, which is really nice because that way you can do two separate things. If you're going to check on something, say open this side up to check on our nugget, see how he's cooking in there, or you're going to cook on this other side, you've got individual lights that come on. You got two separate sides. If you're wanting to turn on both lights to kind of eyeball things, you can leave that on as well. But lots of different settings up here. This is not a very small appliance, but because it's 1800 watts and because it's the dual side or single side, I think you're getting a lot of value for the amount of space that this takes up, especially if you've got a larger family, because this can easily kind of attest to all those different needs that the kids have. This little silicone gripper thing is really nice that they do, and they do provide you with a lot of instructions as well as a cookbook if you're wanting to have some various different little recipes to test out in there. They do provide you with that as well. So let's go back and we'll check on our chicken nugget here and see how he's doing. Yeah, that's getting nice and crispy. So this is heating up really fast, which is nice. Again, that 1800 watts is going to really help kind of charge that whole thing up and get it going and cooking. So this will be great for anyone's home or small business.